Hi everyone, welcome to 30 Something Beauty. Today is the kickoff of 30 days, 30 looks. So every day I am going to post a different makeup look. Some really in-depth, some super simple. I thought this would be a fun way to actually use all my makeup. So every day I'll try and use some different things. Some will be tried and trues for a lot of it. Like I just love my Age Rewind, so I probably won't switch it up a lot. But yeah, just a good way to kind of play with some different things, use some things that aren't always used, try a bunch of like the Ipsy stuff. So yeah, different look every day. And it is January 2nd, which means this is the first day of Whole 30. If you are doing Whole 30 with me, if you want to join, if you're like, oh my gosh, that sounds amazing, let's do it. I'll put info for it below of like what Whole 30 is in our Facebook group, and you can join us. So good luck to all of you Whole 30ing it today. Hold strong. First day is actually the easy day. You're real motivated. It's day 2. Day 2 is the rough day. So let's get started. Now I will say, today I have not a stitch of makeup on. Other days we will not go through the whole beginning process because let's face facts, that might be boring to you. But I'm starting off with the Maybelline Instant Pore Eraser Baby Skin, which I love. And if you watched the primer showdown, it beat out a lot of expensive ones. So if you watched that too, you saw it pill up on my face like crazy. And if you look today, not quite as bad. There was one product in particular, there's a Murad product that I think it just did not like. Now it's starting to pill. Great. But as I said in that video, even when it pills up like this and kind of gets all this gunk down here, it still ends up covering everything on the skin that I want covered. Okay, so foundation wise, today we're going in with tried and true Bare Minerals. Just put a little of that on my hand. Doesn't want to close. And then I just dot it all over my face. The thing I like about the Bare Minerals one is it is buildable. So it goes on medium-ish coverage, but, excuse me, that coffee. You can build it up darker. Okay, now we cover. And today for concealer, I am using the Bobbi Brown Full Cover. And I found this works best with my finger. Got a little hair thing, won't go away. Oh yeah, we're on third day hair right now too, so this is how I'm wearing my hair to work today. So sorry if I look totally bald in videos, but it's just that kind of a day. So I'm going to use my Milk Makeup one. It's pretty natural looking. It's Lip and Cheek in Perk. Oh, it needs to warm up. Okay. This one I haven't worn lately, but if you watch videos during the summer, it is a great, like, summer on top of a tan blush, like just a natural, if you're not going to wear a lot of makeup that day, kind of look. And then I got this for free at the NYX store. This is the NYX Away We Glow highlighter. It is in Crystal Glare. So we're gonna, oh my gosh, it gets stuck. Okay, gonna try that. Dot, dot, dot. Dot, dot. The like hoof, like the little wand part, is too thick for the tube. So it's just a little highlight. And now we go in with powder. Today is a powder day. There's only so many powders I have, so you are going to see repeats, and hence why I will not be showing this part every time. I keep switching up brushes with this. I can't decide which one I like with it. So this is the Heavenly Luxe It Cosmetics one. This is the one, I think this is the one I got when like you buy the foundation set, how It gets you, not It, but It Cosmetics gets you with that. The first time you get the foundation, it's like this super good deal. You get this set with this big blush thingy and this brush. And like it's like a blush, bronzer, shimmer trio, and the It Superhero, or one of the mascaras, I don't know. But you also get this. Okay, so nice clean face. And as I say a lot of times, you can still see some scarring. It is what it is. I just don't want to look that cakey. So I deal with the scarring. Okay, so then going to come in with bronzer. Going to use some Hourglass. This is Luminous Bronze Light. If I can... I'm trying to find the brush I want. I think this is slightly too dark for me, and yet here I sit. Still using it, still going for it. That looked crazy. Do you see that crazy line? Whoops. Okay, we're blending out. It's gonna be okay. We're blending out. Blend into the hairline. Down onto the face a little bit. This is good. This kind of roughs up the front of my hair too, which it needs. Blend out the crazy. See? Look, I'm not crazy anymore. Okay. Then I've got a pretty, not strong, but like colorful eye look coming. So I'm going to go pretty natural. This is the Pixie by Petra one that I really, really like. So that's on and pretty. And now we take the Milani. So this part I'm going to edit for you because this is boring. I'm going to put on my Milani primer, and then I'm going to do my brows with my e.l.f. powder. I don't have a ton of brow products, so that will always probably be the same. So I'll do that, and then we'll come back. Okay, eyes. So I am starting with my RMS eye glaze. I'm just putting that all over my finger. Ooh, gonna dab on both sides because I got really adventurous there. Okay, now in all honesty, this is why this product is so amazing. that just dabbing on and doing that, it like blended up on its own really pretty. Like, okay, I'm done. Bye. Done. Just throwing some mascara, go. My only issue is it does start to feel heavy on my lids if I don't put a powder. My eyelids get really greasy. So we're going to play with it a little more. Okay, so purple and orange are complementary colors, which means they bring out each other. And does my blush not look way stronger now? I was trying to do it like pretty neutral, but it's coming out pretty strong. Then I'm going to use next this is the Down to Earth Body Shop palette, 04. And going to take my pointy brush and go in this one up here. The only issue with this is it does have fallout. And there is glitter in that color. I'm not messing around. Yeah, they really cling to each other. It's a strong look. I do love that they put just a cream in here. So I'm going to come up and blend together a little bit. And then this color looks crazy dark, but it isn't as crazy dark as it seems. Or maybe it is. I'm just going to place that in the corners. And then take a fluffier brush and blend it out. That RMS is a base. This stuff really sticks to it. So you'll see with these, I am just playing every day. I am not thinking it through ahead of time and being like, okay, everyone, so the look I've practiced for you. No, we're just going for it, seeing what happens. Not gonna lie, this is a lot of look for going to work. Okay. Luckily though, mascara always like tones everything down, but just so it doesn't become more dramatic, I am not going under my eye. I am going to take this other super dark one and make it like a smudge liner. Okay, so I am still going to line, just not quite as intensely. Okay, I had this beautiful purple liner from Sephora that now I cannot find. So instead I'm going to go in with a Marc Jacobs. It's like a chocolatey brown. It is Earthquake. And gonna go just in the inner rim. So annoyed about that. Eyeliner, it's somewhere. Going to put on mascara and we'll come back for finishing touches of highlighter and lip. Okay, so eyes are done. Going to use my Strobe of Genius palette from NYX, little fan brush, and I'm gonna go in with more the champagne-y one down here. Center of the nose, and you all know my rule by now. Gotta blend it in, don't just place it. And then lastly, going with the I gotta use stuff. This is the Urban Decay Vice. This is not gross looking, just from sitting out. This is the Vice lipstick palette from last year. And I'm gonna blend. Well, I can't find the real lipstick brush that I use, but I found the one that comes in the set. So I mix, you can see this well, I mix Safe Word with Studded, so like this grayish kind of color.
Gray undertone pink.
It's like my own grayish polish. I actually, or lipstick. I actually want it lighter than that just because with the eye, it's a lot. So I'm gonna go back with Whip, which is the lightest one on the end. That's looking way more orange on my screen. I mean, there's only so much I can do now. I could take it off, but it's still a really pretty color. It is what it is. It's still a pretty color. It just doesn't make the eyes pop quite as much. With a little Urban Decay spray. This one is starting to get the weird smell that I don't like from the L'Oreal one, and it costs so much more. So that's kind of annoying. Okay, so that is it for day 1 of 30 looks, 30 days. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so you're notified when new videos go up. And leave a comment below if you like this sort of video. Are there some looks you'd like to see me do in the future? Anything like that, I would love to know what you are looking for to help you out. And with that, you should be getting suggestions of other videos right now. So keep watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!